love catching police brutality though when it happens. It does happen.
Yeah.
But at the same time, you know, it's just because these guys know.
Yeah. People are serious now.
You can't.
That's why we got to go talk to them. We need to like go down to their station, Danny was saying, and like have a talk, sit down with them and be like, look, if shit hits the fan, you know.
Parles tu anglais? Parles tu anglais? Do you know why they're so pissed? No, do you know, well, do you understand why there's more and more of this stuff happening all over the place? Why there's more people choosing to sit on the streets rather than sit in their homes and watch TV? You're asking me to jaywalk, eh? This is what we do for a living. This is what we do. We don't get paid. We do this because we care, because it's the facts, it's the truth. It's on the internet. You can look up all those links. This is the science. It's like grade 7 science. Those buildings were blown up, and there's a big tyranny thing going on in the world. And the people who look into this stuff, they end up finding out all these other things that end up putting us in all these groups that CSIS ends up looking at us because we're anti-globalization. Because, sir, do you understand what globalization is? One world government. That means that you guys are responsible for taking the people out of the countryside, bringing them into the cities so that they can all be watched. That's why all the cameras are going up all over the place. Okay? I don't mean to get, because we're not afraid the end of the world's coming, because we're doing something about it. The only thing necessary for evil to succeed is that good men do nothing. I'm from Ottawa. I come here to hang out with my friends in Montreal because we're just coming together. Love to see you. They hang out on Tuesdays.
Bombs
I show movies on Tuesdays in Ottawa.
Bricks are for the buildings. Because we need more action. And we definitely need more compassion. We don't need nope. We don't need nope.
Everything's on YouTube. I'm making a movie. We're going across Canada.
I've been on YouTube plenty of times.
We don't need a policeman in our heads. We don't need military orders. We don't need to listen to what they said. We don't need nope. We don't need nope. No need to beating by the police. So protect yourself from the cops with the truth. We need black blocks for the protest and the baby blocks for the youth. We need more free housing and big bad crowbars for the locks on the doors. We need books to the prisons, and money to the poor. And remember to save your paint bombs for the police. Bricks are for the buildings to ensure that our voices are heard.
That's the war, guys. That's what it's for. doing? Oh, this guy's wanting to fight.
N'arrête pas de marcher. Calculer, c'est marcher. Là, à votre vue, ramène-toi là. Comme tes yeux, puis ramène-toi là. Hey, attends. Deux fois, troisième fois,